Hello students, today we are going to revise the topic the periodic table. We have already studied this topic, but there are some important points which I am going to explain from board point of view. So let's go through the periodic table. So elements, why this periodic table is necessary? You all know that these elements were classified into certain groups, and these elements are placed in the tabular form, which is known as a periodic table. Before classification of or before getting this modern periodic table, the elements were classified by different scientists according to their own classification system. So first was Dobereiner, who has placed the elements into triads. TRAIDS. Okay, so 3 elements were placed into a group. Then there was Newland, who has given the octave rule for classification of the elements, where he arranged 8 elements in which he said that the properties of every 8th element is similar like the first element. Then the main classification was given by Mendeleev. Mendeleev, he was the first to classify the elements into groups and periods. Okay, he was the first to classify the elements into groups and periods. So this was the classification system which was given by different scientists like Dobereiner, Newland and Mendeleev. Due to some drawbacks into their classification system, there came the modern classification system of the periodic table, which was given by Moseley. So the features of the Moseley's periodic table are as follows. So the features are, the modern periodic table is classified into 18 vertical columns which are known as groups, and it tells us about, so what does the group tell us about? It tells us about the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Okay, it tells us about number of electrons in outermost shell. For example, there are different groups in the periodic table. Group 1 is known as a group of alkali metals. Group 2 is known as group of alkaline earth metals. Group 13 is the boron family. Why boron family? Because boron is the first element of that group and therefore it is boron family. Group 17 is halogen family, where halogens, which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, are placed in the group. Group 18 is the group of inert gases or noble gases. Group number 3 to 12 is the group of transition elements. Why transition elements? Because their outermost orbit and the inner orbit, both of them are vacant. So these are all the groups in the periodic table. There are 18 vertical columns which are known as group. Group number tells about the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Group numbers are 1 to 18. Now it is 1 to 18 number form, and then otherwise it is 7th in numerical form also it is there for 1 to 8. Okay, 1 to 8 is the Roman number which is given to the groups. And the modern periodic table has 7 horizontal rows which are known as periods. These periods, the period number determines the number of shells. Number of shells matlab, for example, if period number 1 is there, it is the shortest period which has 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. This question is many times asked in the exam. The shortest period in the periodic table is period number 1, which has 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. There is period number 2 and 3, which contains 8 elements, which is the short period. Period number 4 and 5 is 18 elements, which is the long period. Period number 6 and period number 7 has 32 elements, which is lanthanides and actinides, which are the longest period. The shortest is period number 1 and longest is 6, which has 32 elements, which is the longest period. So period number tells the number of shells. मतलब पीरियड नंबर 1 है तो इसमें कितने शेल्स होंगे? 1. If it is 4, there will be 4 shells other than the nucleus. So this is what is denoted by, or this is how the modern periodic table is being classified, or the elements are placed in a tabular form, that is groups and periods. Or vertical columns are groups, horizontal rows are periods. Please remember this concept. When we move along a periodic table, there is periodicity which is found in the periodic table. Periodicity का मतलब क्या होता है? The properties that reappear at regular intervals. इसका मतलब क्या? For example, if this is the periodic table, okay, this is the periodic table, okay. So in this periodic table, if you move along the periodic table or down the group in the periodic table, you can see there are certain properties which reappear at regular interval. मतलब क्या, for example metallic है तो यहाँ से when we move along a periodic table metallic से non metallic होता है, but again when you come this side again it becomes metallic to non metallic. So these properties, they reappear at regular intervals and this is known as periodicity. Okay, what it is known as periodicity. Remember, these concepts are very important. They are asked in the exam in questions. So remember, periodicity का मतलब है properties that reappear at regular intervals. What is the cause of this periodicity? The cause is the reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration. Reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration मतलब क्या? For example, group 1 है तो last electron shell में एक ही electron होता है. Group 2 है तो 2 electrons. So there are same number of electrons in the outermost shell and therefore there is recurrence of similar electronic configuration and this is the cause of periodicity. Now shells and valency. Shells matlab orbits. Okay, for example, if I have one element, this is the nucleus, this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit. Okay, so electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain definite circular paths which are called as orbits. Okay, the number of shells when you go down the group and when you go across the period. Down the group matlab periodic table में down the group जाते हैं top to bottom, that is down the group, and when you go across a period from left to right, that time we say across a period from left to right. So when you see number of shells down the group, what is the change? When you go from top to bottom, the number of shell increase by 1. Okay, for example, fluorine, it has 2 shells, 2 orbits, that is period number 2. So I told you period number indicate क्या करता है? It indicates the number of shells. Iodine, it has 5. So when you go down the group, halogen, fluorine and iodine is in halogen group. So when you go down the group, the number of shells down the group, it increases successively by 1. So when you go down the group, number of shell increase by 1. But when you go across a period from left to right, the number of shell, it remains the same, but electron is added in the same shell. Okay, so when you go across a period, number of shell remains same, but electron is added in the same shell. Remember this. So sodium, it is in period number 3. Period number 3 में है, it has 3 shells with atomic number 11. Magnesium, 12, it has 3 shells, but number of electron increased by 1. Shell remains same across the period, and down the group, shell number increases by 1. What is valency? Valency, it denotes the combining capacity of atom of an element. Combining capacity मतलब क्या? If any atom has to form bond, how many electrons are available in its outermost shell to combine with other elements? So it denotes the combining capacity of atom of an element, that is known as valency. Groups, the valency, when you go down the group, the valency remains same. So group number क्या बताता है? We have seen, it tells us about the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. So when you go down the group, the number of electrons remains same, therefore valency remains same. When you go across a period, the valency increase by 1 because from left to right, the number of electron increase by 1. जैसे sodium और magnesium, they are in period number 3. But see, 11 and 12. So number of electron increases by 1. Therefore, valency across a period increase by 1 and in down the group, it remains the same. Valency increases only till group 14. Where it becomes 4. Okay, कहाँ तक वैलेंसी इंक्रीज होती है? ग्रुप 14 तक इंक्रीज होती है जहां पे वो 4 होती है, आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन. देन अगेन इट डिक्रीजेस इन ग्रुप टिल ग्रुप 17, दैट इज इट बिकम्स 1. ओके, तो यहां से बीच में ट्रांजिशन तक जाने तक 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, and again when you move ahead, again it becomes 1. तो यहाँ पे when you go from this side to this side, it is positive valency, but when you move on this side, it becomes negative valency. Okay, how it is, that we are going to see in the next part. So valency increases only till group 14 where it becomes 4 and then it decreases till group 17 which becomes 1. Group 18 की valency 0 है. When we go across the periodic table, there are some periodic properties. Okay, why we are studying this? Because we are going to see what is the change in the periodic properties. Periodic properties matlab kya? These are the properties related to electronic configuration and they show regular gradation. Okay, regular gradation hota hai unme. So these are the properties. Periodic properties are dependent on electronic configuration. So whatever the electronic configuration, however it changes, the periodic properties will also change. So what are the periodic properties which actually change or which actually show regular pattern when you go across the period or down the group? It is atomic size, metallic character, non-metallic character, ionization energy, electron affinity and electronegativity. These are all the periodic properties which show the change when you go across a period or down the group in the periodic table. So we are going to study these periodic properties one by one. We'll revise them again.